On the river today, I saw two boats that were fantastic. A green paper boat and a new red boat made of plastic. Hey, look! Here's a mouse. He's called Barry. Barry started to race the paper boat in a hurry. Who will reach the shore first, you might ask, and who will be last? The boat sailed very fast. Neither of them was going to let the other pass. The paper boat asked the bird if it could help it be first. The bird held on to the paper boat and flew with it ahead. Barry the mouse was very upset. I protest! This is a boat race, not a flying contest. But the paper boat didn't mind and just said, "Thanks, bird, that was very kind." As the bird left them all behind, splash! Splashed the paper boat. But the paper boat simply laughed a lot. So Barry the mouse laughed along until they stopped. The boat carried on with speed and Barry managed to take the lead. But, oh no, how weird! Barry reached a whirlpool and, whoa, he was left behind. The paper boat did not notice a thing, for then, at that very moment, it met some friends. Two other boats who liked to sing in a band. It's such fun to sing together. Farewell. Barry the mouse suddenly felt hungry. Over to the ice cream man he went in a hurry. "Do you have a cheese-flavoured ice cream?" he asked him. Barry got a delicious 3-coloured ice cream. The green paper boat kept on sailing down the river. But, oh no! Oh my! The paper boat got hooked on a fishing line. Barry will definitely catch up. And the paper boat the last place will take. Oh, that was such a silly mistake. Barry laughed and laughed out loud. He knew that he had won. He had no doubt. But, oh no! The red plastic boat started sinking. It broke. Help! Help! I don't know how to swim. Barry jumped on the green boat and released the line on which it was caught. Sailing together like this is really quite nice. The little boy was waiting for them on the river bank. He said, "How nice of you to come back. Both of you won. Both of you came first, I see." And they were as happy as can be. Goodbye, Barry and the paper boat. Goodbye, children. See you next time.